In this video, I want to talk about, should I learn Qi Gong or should I learn Tai Chi first? Which one should I learn first? So I'm going to jump into that with this video. So yes, learning Qi Gong before Tai Chi can make the process easier as it helps you build a strong foundation in movement, breathing and awareness. Qi Gong teaches the basics in a simple and accessible way. You learn how to relax the body, steady the breath, and bring your attention inward without needing to remember complex sequences. This can support you when moving into Tai Chi, which often involves longer and more structured forms. Starting with Qi Gong can help you develop body awareness and coordination, learn how to relax rather than force movement, understand how breath and movement work together, feel more confident as you progress. Without this foundation, Tai Chi can sometimes feel overwhelming for beginners. That said, you do not have to learn Qi Gong first. Some people begin directly with Tai Chi and still benefit over time. It simply depends on what feels most supportive for you when you start. There's no hard or fast rules with that. It's up to you. This is how you feel. What do you want out of it? Do you want a martial art where you want form, or do you want a healing art where you start to heal the body? There's two different things, Qi Gong and Tai Chi, but they do work actually well together. And some Tai Chi instructors put a bit of Qi Gong into their classes, and some Qi Gong instructors put a bit of Tai Chi into their classes, which is what I do, because it's the same family. Qi Gong is the umbrella, Tai Chi is in there as an energy practice. So every Tai Chi move is a Qi Gong move, but not every Qi Gong move is a Tai Chi move. I hope that makes sense. So it's a healing umbrella, Qi Gong. So it's all the same energy practice, but Qi Gong goes just a little bit deeper into the healing side of it. This is important. So if you want to go a little bit deeper in the academy with me, practice Qi Gong, you've got how to go deeper. So if you click the link around this video, you can go Qi Gong for beginners. It's a complete guide. You can do the healing power of Qi Gong, or live online courses, which is part of the process of going a bit deeper with Qi Gong with the Bright Beings Academy. You have a journey that we go through where you start. You can do it for free, which is the free membership, or you can go to the class membership, or you can go to the John Jay membership, which is a one-to-one to help you fast track your Qi Gong practice to a more advanced level quicker. Or I also learn how to, you can learn how to teach with me or become a master the art of Qi Gong. You can do that, or you can just watch the videos. If you're going to do that, just subscribe to the videos. That will really help me with the YouTube channel. So if you want to go a bit deeper with me, just click the link below in the description or in the comments. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, be well and keep shining.